stop here, you want to stop so you can still see that crosswalk line. If you can't see the crosswalk line, then you'd be too far ahead. Looks good.
I hate that the car's so obvious and everyone can see that I'm like a student.
I know.
It's like embarrassing in a way.
Stick out like a sore thumb.
I know. I'm like, hope I don't see anyone I know.
Yeah, sometimes it works to our disadvantage too.
Yeah.
Trying to make lane changes in heavy traffic on LaSalle with this thing is challenging sometimes because people are a little bit less courteous. Some people are a little bit less courteous. They won't give you a gap to get in there.
Yeah.
You put your signal on, they'll step on the gas. Try to get past you because they don't want you. They don't want the driving school in front of them, right? Because they know we do the speed limit, so.
Yeah.
At the just before the lights, we got a little exit here to get into college. We're gonna make a right turn. I see some cones here. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's see if it's still open. Yeah, it's open. Okay, I think. Yeah. It's open. All right. Oh yeah, they were filling some. Oh, good. They filled those potholes. Sort of. Still have a little bit of work to do there. Okay, we're going to stay to the left of the shack. We're going to go down that way here.
Like right now?
Yeah, go.
Oh, you can pass it.
It's a two-way, yeah.
Okay.
So, imagine you're driving an ambulance and you have someone back there broke their back. You don't want to make them scream when you're going over these speed bumps. Let's see how smooth you are here. Smooth braking. A little bit slower. And smooth acceleration. This is my water bottle challenge. Awesome. You can bring your speed up. It's 40 back here if you can. Yeah. A little bit too much water in there. It might tip over. Okay, now you start slowing down. By the time you get to the speed bump, you should be at about maybe 5 kilometers or so to go over it. Just let